a dream to have BC part of Canada. After many, many years of surveying, no tracks were even close to being built.
This gentleman is going to survey the land. Surveying is basically looking around the land to see if it is good.
The man had to go through extreme weather, such as snowstorms, blizzards, and thunder and lightning storms.
Here in the mountains, a worker pushes the lever to the dynamite to make the tunnel.
Hey man, let's build a bridge.
Yeah, sure.
Full tank!
Chinese people were treated poorly and got paid less. They had the most dangerous jobs.
These men had to work very hard to build the railroad.
They had to use spikes to build it.
Some people didn't want the railway, so they fought, but they lost.
The workers are now building, and the last spike they put is a golden spike.
You can't catch me. Come back.
Come back.